When you first click on the second video, which is the Khan Academy tutorial, it will bring you to this screen. This has the entire tutorial for equivalent fractions here on the left. You should start with the first one, Intro to Equivalent Fractions, and as you move through them, you will go down the list. The ones with triangles are videos, the ones with stars are activities, and I'll show you those in a minute. As you're watching the video, you'll need to hit the play button. There's a volume control. You can see this video is 4 minutes. If you would like, you can scroll down and click the button Transcript. If you click Transcript, it will move along kind of like captions to the video. So as he is talking in the video, the lines will go in blue. So if you'd like to be able to read what he's saying as the video is moving along, you'll have to click the transcript button. Once you have finished that video, you will go to this one, visualizing, and you can do the same thing, transcript. Then after every video or couple videos, there will be an activity. So this one says practice finding equivalent fractions. These problems show you pictures of the fractions to help you out. As you move down the list and through different activities, they will become a little more challenging. So this one says 2/3 is equivalent to what over 9? Here they want you to find the numerator. If you would like to draw, you can use Scratchpad and you can write anything in there. We already know 3 times 3 is 9, so we know that they've multiplied both, or the first fraction, by 3. So you would have to multiply your denominator by 3 to get the equivalent numerator. So 2/3, if you want to click in here, or I guess you can't click, but you could kind of mark in here where it would be to become equivalent with the thirds, then you can figure out how many you marked. So 2/3, we can see that that's the same size as this part that I've marked down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the part, the numerator, and it is out of 9. The total piece is the denominator. So you would click in here, you would type 6. It says you must get the first 2 correct or 5 in a row to move on. So we'll check the answer, and you heard the little noise, I got it right. So if you didn't know what to do, you could click Get a Hint, and it says the hint 1 of 3, the first hint, equivalent fractions have the same area shaded. Just like I've done, how many ninths would we shade to cover the same area as 2/3? Maybe if you still didn't know, you could click Get Another Hint, and here they have shown it to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you needed another hint, you could click another one, and it's actually giving you the answer. So you probably wouldn't get credit if you used all the hints and then typed in the answer, but you could try it. And then you'll come down here more on equivalent fractions. Then there's one more activity. So now they're not giving you the drawing, but if you click Get a Hint, they will give you the drawing. So you can get the drawings. Down here it keeps track of your correct answers. Once you finish the last activity, different equivalent fractions, then you will move on. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 videos, 1, 2, 3 activities to complete for this tutorial. Have fun!